what's happening, FableSquad? Take a guess what popped up in my recommended YouTube listings, man. Take a guess. I just saw this and I thought to myself, I've had such a hectic week, man. I've been so under pressure this week, and now it's the weekend, and I just need something that's going to just kick off my weekend, man. And when I saw MGK, I thought, it's time. Let's do this. I've never done this before, man. I've never done Coast Freestyle. It just popped up out of nowhere. Obviously it was telling me something. MGK was telling me something. I see you, bro. I see you. I shall do it. Let's go. See, there was a reason why this popped up, man. There was a reason, because I needed this weekend. Let's go. We got Kelly, we got the black flags, bro. Let's just go.
Hey, my bitches say I'm nasty than a motherfucker. I hit the J, Straxy than a motherfucker. Vintage frames, classic than a motherfucker.
This is gonna be one of those classic MGK flexing freestyles, man. Let's go.
Backseat of the Uber action like a motherfucker. Ay, I be high Snoop, sipping gin and juice.
I knew the beat was coming there, man. I knew it, bro. I could already see what you're doing over here, dude. Let's go.
High Snoop, sipping gin and juice. Get me drunk, I stomp your ass out in these diesel boots. In the street trying to change me, but I can't do that. My city missed me, so I booked the jet and flew back.
Just look how cool he looks, man. He's got so much swagger, man. Attitude and style just drips off this oak, man. Just drips off him, man. For me, at least. It just drips off this dude.
So I booked the jet and flew back. Hey, fuck your questions, what you asking about this motherfucker? It ain't no talking, it's just action out this motherfucker. You talk about Cleveland, then we taxing out this motherfucker.
You talk about Cleveland, then we taxing out this motherfucker. Let's go.
Get them Benjamins and Jacksons out that motherfucker. I went from one bedroom apartments to a mansion. I fucked my bitch and we listen to Marilyn Manson.
You see, I told you he's flexing, man. Flex, Kelly. Tell those haters, man. I like these songs when Kelly flexes, man. Especially because of the amount of haters he's got, man. I like that. I like it when he actually irritates those haters, man. You know what? Because those are the kind of people that will talk shit about him, but they will keep going back to his page and to his music to make comments, man. Tell them, Kelly. Tell them. Show them how flashy you are, bro.
They be trying to figure out how I get all the grams. I say the plug is my motherfucking biggest fan. Blow some smoke up in the air, let them know we here. Let me make it clear, don't you ever motherfucking dare disrespect the youngest bosses up in here. This is not a game, I am just a player. I see artists trying to take on my career. I need inspiration, I look in the mirror.
If I need inspiration, I'll look in the mirror, peeps. I am my own role model. I have elevated myself to a point where I can actually look in the mirror and I can draw inspiration from myself. That's the highest level of inspiration, man. Come on, dude. Come on. You guys know how I feel about this boy, man. You know. Let's go.
Inspiration, I look in the mirror. Pablo Escobar with the yay. I don't sell it, I just let them play. I don't tell them, they just know what's up. Clean the whole plate, let me fuck. Hit the range on a Sunday. I'm like Rambo with the K. Put some pictures of my haters up. Load them rounds up, let them spray.
I see, I told you this was for the haters. Put some pictures of my haters up. You know what I mean? Those are his targets, man. I told you this was a flexing track, man. I told you. And I love it when Kelly flexes, man. Let's go.
Load them rounds up, let them spray. That's some fucked up shit to say. Oh well, I'm fucked up anyway. Pew have the sweet at the palms. Black suits like it's wedding day. We don't waste shit, we just pipe shit. EST dog, that's for life shit. I'm a living legend, fuck the hype shit. I'm a living legend, fuck the hype shit. I'm on my shit. Call a flight to the Grammys like give me what you owe me. Looking like Cavaliers at the finals, I'm about to get the fucking trophy.
You know what makes Kelly cool, man? And you guys can tell me if I'm wrong or right, man. You look at any other artist and you listen to any of these. I'm talking about the real artists, man. I'm talking about MGK, I'm talking about Hobson, I'm talking about Upchurch and whatever else. But there's something about MGK that his entire life speaks through every single song, man. And it's almost like if you don't know him, or you haven't gone back and actually researched him and actually seen what he's about, you don't get him. You know what I mean? Because if you listen to his song in isolation, if you take one MGK song and listen to it, it's very easy to be critical of it. You know what I mean? If you don't know the guy. But if you know his whole catalog of work and you know his entire life, every single song makes sense. Every single song speaks to you 100 times more because you know who this character is. You know what kind of person this person is. That's what I'm saying. And once you do that, it is so difficult to hate this man because he is a genuine character, a genuine person. And every single thing he does just oozes just confidence and attitude, and he deserves it, man. You have no idea. And that's why I'm saying you can never listen to an MGK track and isolate it for its own track, because there's so much of his life in every single song, but you need to understand what his life was. You need to understand everything that he says. You know what I mean? It's not just flexing, it's how he feels. This is how he lives, these are his beliefs. You know what I mean? Come on, guys. Come on, man, you know how I feel about this boy, and it's coming from a stan. It's coming from a stan, you know this. I'm just reminding the new peeps, man. The new peeps that have subscribed to my channel, man. I'm reminding you that I am a stan that is in love with MGK, man. Let's go, man. Oh! Can't do that, right? Something's wrong with me. I couldn't do that. Why can't I do this myself? Alright. Figured it out. Let's go. EST for life, motherfuckers! Oh my god, no, man. This is what I needed this weekend. This is what I needed to kick my weekend off, man. That's the kind of mood that I'm in, man. I'm in that attitude mood, man. I'm in that mood that I just want to go and just drip with enthusiasm, man. Let's go, people. Guys, I had to do this. I just saw this and I just thought, I have to put this out, man. I have to put this out. Anyway, guys, have a super awesome weekend, man. Stay safe, love each other, be peaceful. Peace.